My name is Dr. David Benversi, and let me share with you one of the tips to avoid a permanent auto injury. And that tip is basically the importance of having physical medicine during the repair phase. Now let me explain a little bit about that. There's basically three phases of healing in any injury that we have. We have the inflammation phase, we have the repair phase, and we have the remodel phase. Now quickly about the inflammation phase, that's obviously right after the injury. As soon as we get over that inflammation phase, we're going to be going into the repair phase. And basically our goal as chiropractors or any person that deals with physical medicine during that repair phase is to increase your range of motion. And that's going to be in three different categories. It's going to be in the active, passive, and joint ranges of motion. Now let me explain just a little bit about those. The active range of motion is basically how far you can actively move that joint or that range of motion yourself. The second thing would be the passive range of motion. So that's basically having some type of assistance or therapist bring that joint into just a little bit past that active range of motion. And lastly is the joint motion, which is something that chiropractors specialize in specifically, and that's bringing it past that passive range of motion and restoring that motion even further. Now, if we do not have all three of those ranges of motion restored, we have a high likelihood of having a permanent injury or things not repairing and being healed the entire way. So, and with that tissue not being healed all the way, we're looking at a couple different consequences. One of the things is we're going to have an increased likelihood of re-injury to that area, and we're going to have a decrease in the range of motion. We're going to have stiffness in that area, and we're also going to have an increased sensitivity to pain in those areas as well. So if you've been in an auto accident and are in pain, please give our office a call at 618-519-9334.